Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we got some Champions Path action for you guys. So got another one here for you guys. This is probably my third time opening one on camera. I did a few off camera and no Charizard yet, so I was able to pull a Charizard Rainbow Secret Rare off camera with Crimson, so that one's being sent off to get it graded. But today I have huge hope and excitement to get this one open, and hopefully with you and I and everybody around the world, we all get to witness today's unboxing and getting that another Charizard Rainbow Rare VMAX card. So let's get to it. Let's get into the cards and power through this and have some fun. All right, here we go. All right. And comment down below if any one of you guys are still excited to open a Champions Path. I know they're pretty hard to get that Charizard, but you know, to me, my opinion, I still have a lot of fun. So I am going to do this because I just enjoy opening cards overall too. So why not a Champions Path? So let's get into the packs here and save the rest here for later. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Champions Path. Okay, brand new. So let's get at it. This is gonna be fun, guys. Okay, your code card. All right, 4 to the front. What's your energy? I said it too late, darn it. Okay. Camera's focusing. He's trying to focus here. Sorry, guys. Okay. So I personally enjoy seeing these cards. You know, they're fun because, you know, I've always been opening with Silas, and we always enjoy opening Champions Path because it's readily available, and we've been opening a lot of Headering box and Champions Path ETB box. So, all right, we got Lycanroc, and for the finale, Professor Research. Man, we got so many of these, but I like the holographic here. So nothing on the first pack. Here we go, second pack. Let's get it fired up. I am fired up, man. It's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Okay, see, that's Machoke, but camera just need to focus. Definitely need a new camera, and we're working on that. So eventually, soon here, we'll get a new camera here for you guys to enjoy on the channel. All right, got plenty of these, and finale is that is the finale. Oh yeah, okay. Nothing on the second pack. Third pack is, and I just did a terrible turn on this one. Code card, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's your energy? Fire. Okay. All right, got a Sonya. Got a rainbow of that card, Cabo. Okay. All right, nothing from that pack as well. So fourth pack here, I'm actually doing a Champions Path collection, you know, personally. So I still got more cards to collect, basically. All right, this is the cold. What's your energy? Say grass. Oh, and I got it right. All right, I'm feeling the smoke. Let's go, everyone. We got this. And focus. Okay. Roly Coly. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's see if there's any print lines here. I got a beautiful fire energy, and I previously got a plant energy too. So this one looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. Let me know if you guys see any print line from this reflection from the light, but so far it looks really good. I'm really drawn into these holographic energy. I think they look really cool. So centering looks really good. All right. Okay. Nice. Okay, I'll set this one to the side for a little bit here. Okay. I already lost track. I think it's the 5th pack. Yeah. So 5th pack. We're halfway through. And we still have high hope. So don't give up yet. Never give up. Here we go. Let's show energy. Fighting. Oh, forgot about Thunderbolt. Okay. Alright. Finale. Scrafty. Okay. We've seen a lot of these cards before. But we still got more to go. So 6th path. The 6th pack here. Can't talk tonight. Alright, what's your energy? Water. Oh, fighting. Wow. Okay. Can't give up yet. What's the finale is? Ooh. Okay, we got another hop. Alright, we got another hop. Beautiful card. This is like my second one. Yeah, my second one. But this one looks really nice. Super center. Oh yeah. Slightly heavy on the right here. But alright, set this one to the side. Okay, we're moving. Can't stop yet. Going all the way, guys. We're going all the way. And I need you guys to come with me. So here we go. Cold card. And what's your energy? Water. Fighting again? Okay. This is a fight, man. We're fighting to get that Charizard, man, on camera for you guys. Okay. Alright, finale is... okay. Alright. 3rd pack. Okay. Cold card. 4 to the front. What's your energy? I will say lightning. Fire. Finally, you got some fire. Okay. We got some heat here. Let's go. Can't stop, won't stop, will not stop. Okay. Grandma's in the house. She's checking up on us, making sure we're doing the right thing here, so can't stop. What's your energy? Oh. What's your energy? I say lightning. Oh, psychic. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Let's move. Let's go. Ooh, nice. Okay, finale is another guy. Okay, this one's nice. Let's see some print lines. Okay, set that one to the side. Our last pack, you guys. Do you guys think there's a Charizard in here? I think so too. Let's go. I think so too, man. Here we go. Here we go. Your cold card. If it's focused, okay. There you go. Alright. What's your energy? Water. Fire again. Okay, fire for Charizard. Here we go. Here we go. This is about to light up. I'm nervous, excited, sweating. Piers reverse and what is it? Oh, Venusaur V. Our first Venusaur V. All right. My very first Venusaur pull ever. So welcome Venusaur V. Welcome to the collection. We definitely got you on deck. Yes. You look super cool. Even though you're not Charizard, you are a friend of Charizard, so we welcome you. Let's go. Yes. Alright. Welcome, welcome. Look at that, guys. I really like this card. I'm a fan of Venusaur, you know. Cool, cool, cool. First time seeing it. I can dig it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. But yeah, guess what? It matches. Look. Kaboom. Look at that. Tell me that isn't pretty. Look at that. Alright, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Even though we didn't get a Charizard, definitely next time we will. So be sure to subscribe, comment, follow us on Instagram at silasandcrimson, and we will open some more cards next time, and we will see you soon.